Claude Opus 4.8 represents the current ceiling for AI-assisted programming, but high-volume API costs put this capability out of reach for individual developers. For bypassing those financial barriers to get free operational access to Opus 4.8 today. The primary obstacle isn't a lack of skill or waitlists. It's the crushing cost of direct API consumption. This pricing table from Anthropic highlights the problem. Input tokens cost $5 per million, while output tokens jump to $25 per million. Those costs compound rapidly because coding agents require continuous background verification and multiple tool calls. Running a full agent on a large codebase can drain a developer's budget in a matter of hours. To maintain financial sustainability, you have to move away from raw API setups and leverage the trial access available on two specific platforms, Verdant and Kuro. The only viable way for solo developers to test these frontier models on real-world repositories without significant upfront investment. To begin, download the Verdant desktop application and activate their 7-day trial. The green Start 7-Day Free Trial button allows immediate access without requiring an upfront credit card. Access is granted the moment your workspace account is created. Navigate to the top workspace bar, open the model selector, and manually set your primary model to Claude Opus 4.8. If the model doesn't appear immediately, update your Verdant app or check back later as account types refresh during the rollout. Verdant's primary value lies in its multi-agent architecture, which operates as a localized development team. It uses isolated Git worktrees to protect your repository. As shown in this diagram, agentic tasks run in separate branches, allowing parallel work on front-end and back-end features without destroying your main branch. While Opus 4.8 is powerful enough for long-horizon tasks, success still depends on maintaining a strict architectural structure. Verdant enforces this through a plan-first workflow. The agent must discuss its approach and seek your approval via this Approve and Execute button before it can edit any real files. This oversight is necessary because frontier models can generate code that appears flawless while containing subtle, catastrophic logic errors. Use the native diff review interface to verify every line of AI logic side by side. You should only merge the changes into your main branch once the technical logic is fully sound. This environment treats the AI as a junior developer, containing potentially volatile output within quarantined local branches. For developers who require massive context scale rather than local isolation, the Kuro pathway is the superior choice. You can bypass standard pricing by activating the Kuro Power Plan. The checkout page currently applies a trial discount that brings your total due today down to $0. Kuro's main advantage is its memory. The interface indicates a massive 1 million token input window and a 128K output limit. However, there is a catch. Opus 4.8 wasting your credits on basic queries that cheaper models can handle. Save Opus exclusively for the most difficult logic. To get the best results from Kuro, you should move away from conversational chatting and adopt spec-driven development. Upload detailed Markdown specifications to guide the implementation. The Kuro agent will refine these specs interactively with you before it begins writing any code. Kuro also offers a solution for developers who prefer to stay out of web-based IDEs. You can trigger Opus 4.8 agentic asks directly through your local terminal using the Kuro CLI, maintaining full context retention within your existing workflow. Kuro requires more rigid structure and prompt discipline than Verdant, but it offers true enterprise-scale context for massive projects. To determine if Opus 4.8 is actually worth the eventual cost, you need to conduct high ROI stress tests. Building a simple to-do app proves nothing. Instead, force the model to map an undocumented codebase, refactor messy legacy components, or review a complex 50-file pull request. Your choice between these two platforms should be based on your specific operational needs. Verdant is best for those who want parallel agents and local branching, while Kuro is built for developers who need that 1 million token window and terminal native control. Before you start, take note of your trial expiration dates. You must cancel your subscription before the renewal date shown here in the billing dashboard, or you will be charged for the full enterprise product. Stop relying on synthetic benchmarks. Open a real project today, spin up Opus 4.8, and see the results for yourself. Free access to frontier technology is always temporary. True mastery requires testing these real-world limits before the trial window closes.